The checkered flag drops. But for a Formula One driver, the race isn't truly over until they step onto a set of scales. In the high-stakes world of Grand Prix racing, every grom counts, and the post-race weigh-in is one of the sport's most critical rituals. Exhausted and dehydrated, drive Ed straight to the FIA scales. But why is this mandatory procedure so vital for the sport's integrity? Inside the cockpit, a driver faces an absolute inferno. Temperatures can soar above 50 degrees Celsius, creating a brutal environment for 90 minutes. The physical toll is staggering. Under intense G-forces and extreme heat, a driver can lose between 2 to 4 kilograms of body weight through sweat. Carbon ceramic brakes glow at over 1,000 degrees. This immense heat radiates directly into the cockpit, turning the car into a mobile sauna. To ensure fairness, the FIA sets strict regulations. The minimum weight of a car, including the driver, is currently mandated at 800 kilograms. Before 2019, lighter drivers had a natural advantage. To fix this, the FIA introduced a minimum driver weight of 80 kilograms, including gear. If a driver weighs less than 80 kilograms, teams must add ballast weight to the seat area to equalize the competition. Engineers use materials like tungsten for ballast because it is incredibly dense, allowing them to lower the car's center of gravity for better handling. Precise math is required. As fuel is consumed during the race, the car becomes lighter, making the driver's final weight even more crucial at the finish. The weigh-in is conducted under strict scrutiny. In the paddock, photographers are often pushed back to ensure the privacy of the technical process. Drivers must be weighed with all their equipment: the helmet, the Hans device, the suit, and even their gloves. Even a single gram under the limit results in immediate disqualification. The margin for error is non-existent in this pinnacle of motorsport. Formula One is a game of fine margins. Here, human weight is just as much a technical component as the aerodynamics or the engine. Next time you see a driver jump on the scales, remember, they aren't just checking their fitness, they're proving they've played by the rules. Thanks for watching. CodeMechanic. Subscribe for more deep dives into the technical secrets of the world's fastest sport.